Hey folks, it's Russ Fye. I just wanted to take a minute and tell you about my 3-day Thrive experience by Le-Vel. My wife has been doing this for a while now, so she ordered me a sample kit, a 3-day sample kit, and I tried it, and I just want to share with you my thoughts on it, okay? First of all, what I love about the 3-step system is it's super, super simple to do, okay? You wake up in the morning, and you take 2 capsules. All right, you take 2 capsules, you wait 20 minutes, then you make a shake. This is a vanilla shake. They have shakes, all different flavors, but my kit came with vanilla. You make that, and by the way, they're really good. I drink a lot of protein shakes, and these are by far the best tasting. And then after that, you put on a patch, the Derma Fusion Technology patches, okay? These are big ones here, but I have one on right here. They're smaller. I like the smaller ones better personally, but then you put that on, okay? And I'm going to go over each one of these things and what they do. Now, the first, and that's all you do. After those 3 steps, that's all you do, and you just go about your day, all right? The capsules here, these are formulated for men, obviously, but there are capsules formulated for women, which my wife takes. These are good for, or they help with, weight management, cognitive performance. They support healthy joint function, calms general discomfort. They have antioxidant support, lean muscle support, and digestive and immune support. Okay, and I got to throw in here, the FDA does not evaluate these because they're supplements. The FDA does not evaluate any supplements. Okay, so these are not FDA approved, but no supplement is. They are all natural, plant-based ingredients in here. All right, they're not vegan, but they are gluten-free. The shakes. These are ultra micronized. They're nutrient mineral dense. They contain a probiotic and enzyme blend. They have an antioxidant and an extract blend, and they're good for lean muscle support, weight management, and these are gluten-free. And they taste really good. These patches, Derma Fusion Technology patches, there's different kinds of the patches that do different things. But basically they help with weight management, mental acuity, they support appetite management, and they give you a hell of a lot of energy, and they help with your circulation as well, okay? So that's what you do. You wake up in the morning, you take 2 capsules, you go take a shower, you come back out, you make a shake, you drink the shake, you put on a patch like I have on my arm here, like I showed you, and then you go about your day like you normally would. And my experience for these last 3 days, I have found that I don't eat as much and I have a lot of energy, okay? Now, I don't know if that's because it's new to my system. Obviously, trying it for 3 days isn't the same as trying it for, 3 months or 3 weeks. But I'm going to keep, but I like them enough to where I'm going to order a month or 2 month supply, and I'm going to keep going with it and trying it and seeing how I feel after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, and so on, okay? There's people on here that have been with this company for a long time, and they still take it and they still love it. So if I get these same effects that I've had in the last 3 days over the next year or 2, it's going to be great because I'm super laser focused. Normally when I'm working, I have piles of papers all around me. I'm doing 50 different things at one time, and honestly, I waste a lot of time. Okay, I get everything done, but my time management is not as good as it should be. And I noticed in the last few days here that when I'm working, I finish one thing, then I move on to the next, and then I move on to the next, and I'm getting things done and managing my time better. So I'm excited about this, okay? I'm excited enough to where I signed up to be a brand promoter under my wife, and I'm just going to see and share this with everyone, my experiences. So if I have a negative experience with it, I'm going to let you know about it. If it stays positive, I'm going to let you know about it, okay? I don't BS with anybody, and I just want to make honest review videos with this. So I'm going to do another review maybe next week sometime, You know, I'll do like maybe after 14 days what my results are, and I'll share that with you. The one thing I'm not worried about is my weight management. Last December, almost a year ago, December 2018, I decided to try a vegan diet, and I lost 30 pounds doing that. I was up to 220. I'm down to 190 right now, and I'm 6'3", so the 190 range is a perfect weight for me. So I'm not really doing this for the weight management part of it, although I still want the benefits of that. I don't want to put on any more weight, but I'm really doing it for the mental clarity and the energy, okay? Because there's some days, I mean, I wake up 7:30 in the morning, and I'll work until, 11:30 at night some nights. Sometimes it's more than that, So I just want to be laser targeted, focused, and have the energy to just work, And when I'm not working, to spend time and do things with my wife and my kids. So yeah, I'm going to tell you a couple cool things that I do like about this company really quick before I get off of here. Le-Vel was founded by Jason Camper and Paul Gravett, okay? And together they have 41 years of experience in the health and wellness industry, all right? So they know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. The company itself has over 10 million customers. They have over 30 patents, and they're counting on all their formulas. They have more than just this 3-day or this Thrive experience. They have a whole line of skin products and other things. So they have 30 patents on that. There's over $2 billion in lifetime sales. They've paid out over $200 million, or I'm sorry, they've shipped over $200 million in free products. They're approaching $1 billion in total promoter commissions paid. All right, so this is a big company. It hasn't been around that long either, and it's growing because the products actually do what they say for once. All right, it's a good company as far as I'm concerned. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can connect with me on Facebook. You can leave a message in the comment section below. If you're interested in becoming a customer or a brand promoter, my link is down in the description box. You can join me, or you can contact me first. Have any questions, let me know. My wife and I are building a team, and we're looking for people who are like-minded, people that want to get healthy, people that want to make some extra money on the side, and people that want to promote something that actually works, okay? So anyway, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you in my next review. Make it a great day. See you soon. Peace.